Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In this video, we will cover how to add a Agree to Terms and Conditions checkbox on your Shopify store using the RA Terms and Conditions box app. To achieve this, you will need to be on a basic Shopify or advanced paid plan. If you are using Shopify Starter Plan, you will not have the ability to add this app. To add the Terms and Conditions checkbox option to our Shopify store, you will first need to be logged into your Shopify store dashboard. Click the search bar and search RA Terms and Conditions and hit enter. Or you could click the link in the description for the app when you're logged into your Shopify dashboard. This will open up a new tab with the search results, and we will click on RA Terms and Conditions box. This will bring you to the app detail page. This app at the time of this recording is free to use. It allows you to add a checkbox to your cart and drawer cart where your customers can physically agree to your terms and conditions. It also adds a link to terms and conditions page that's listed on your site and prevents checkout without the check. Now we're going to install this to our store by clicking install. This will take us to the permissions of the app and complete our installation. So we will click install. This will bring us back to our Shopify dashboard and open up the app here to your left. If you would like to have this app show up under your apps here, then you'll click pin to your navigation, which would bring it up to where it's always accessible on this left-hand side navigation. So now that we have the app installed, we're going to continue to add this to our theme, update our checkbox message, and any alert messages for when the checkbox isn't checked. So right now there's just please select the terms of service. Here in your checkbox message, I accept the terms of service, which are linked to your terms of service page in your policies. If you do not have your policy sets, then you can click Edit Store Policies, and that will open up your policy page here, where you can put in your return and refund policy, your privacy policy, and the terms of service, shipping policy, and contact information. Now we'll go ahead and install this app on our published theme. So we will click Install App. And here we will turn on, which will be this black color, on your theme. Then we will click Save. So now that we've updated our theme, we will come back here. And if you wanted to add it into another theme, you can click Install and choose the theme that is on your store and then Enable. So with this in, let's go ahead and test this out in our store. So now here we see on our drop down, we have the I accept the terms of service. We have our product that's added. We can view cart and checkout. There's our message to say you did not select it. And then we'll click I accept and checkout. And that is a very simple way to add a checkbox for your terms and conditions on your store for any appointments, for any products, digital products, so that you ensure that your customer understands how to utilize your products.